Howdy doody folks, been a long time, but I have been busy. Not been doing video stuff, just been busy with my own home shit. But anyway, today we are fitting a front mount intercooler to a Mazda 6. It's a HDi GT2 kit, same one that's on my car. And it's a lovely day, as you can see. Look at the sun on that. Lovely blue skies and everything. Hello belly boo boo. So yeah. Could be doing other things on a nice sunny day like this, but you know, it's sunny, isn't it? So let's go work on a Mazda. Not any Mazda, just any Mazda, any Mazda. Any Mazda. I'm saying Mazda a lot because it's just a lot of Mazdas, isn't it? When the sun comes out, I get involved with Mazdas. Not because I want to, most of the time, but you know, it demands me to work on a Mazda. Have I said Mazda enough? Do you know I work on Mazdas? I work on Mazdas a lot. Mostly my own, to be honest. There's a lot of Mazda going on. It's the Mazda life, isn't it? Do you know what I mean? So anyway, zoom, zoom, boom. And shit. He should be arriving in a minute, so let's go and do that. And I'll stop waffling on about the word Mazda. Here comes Mr. Chris. Okay, so as you can see, most of it's off. We've had to cut a piece on each side to make this cooler fit, which is there. You can see we cut it there, bashed it out of the way. So it's folded over. Can't see with the fucking light. Where is it? There. You can see I've bent it over just so there's room for the cooler on both sides. So it fits, otherwise it just doesn't go, and it just doesn't go past it. So we're gonna bolt it down here now. Then that's in place, we can start the pipe work. Belting, we're looking good. Right, now the difficult part arrives. We've got to relocate the washer bottle, which was there, and we've got to take it all the way around and put it there. This part here, when nothing's in the way, is easy, but we've got everything in the way. Catch can was there, oil cooler, which is here, was there, so I've got to relocate them too. Find some hosing and extend some wiring, and then it should be done. Sounds easy, doesn't it? Oh dear. Okay, washer bottle's relocated in some form of fashion. Yep. So it's in place. Not going anywhere. There's plumber in. Oh my god. Okay, so now we've more or less finished everything now. We've relocated the horn in terms of shaping the bracket so it doesn't touch out. Although it looks like it's touching, but it's not, look. Redone the wiring, gone through the crash barrier to come out the other side to hook up all of the washer bottle. We've relocated the catch can to the top because it was down there. And what else have we done? Well, the oil cooler's more or less where it was now, more or less. We're just ready to stick the bumper back on, and we've done the start up, it works. And see what it's like when the bumper's on, if everything fits. Fingers crossed. Okay, so the bumper doesn't fit straight away, so we've got to cut this out because it's hitting against the cooler. So we just took a bit off first, didn't fit. We've taken another bit off, we're going to test fit it now. Test fist it? We're going to test fit it, see if it works. And if not, we might need to take a bit more off, just so it sits in nice. Right, let's see. Okay, we've had to cut way more off. We had to cut this panel out as well. Which was this? Yeah, that we want to cut that out because that's touching it, so that's all got to come off. Okay, it's all on. The bumper took some butchering on the inside though, but she's all on. She's all in with a lovely bit of pipe in there from Mr. Chris in his wrappage. There we go. There's the beast. Now we're going to go out and get some choo-choo noise. Looking for choo-choo and boost leaks. I'm not getting any choo-choo yet. Hello, officer. So far she's running good. Howdy folks, right, that's been, that's took us 6 hours. 6 hours! But we got it done, that's the main thing. And my doggies are pleased to see me. You've not seen me all day, have you? So yeah, that concludes that video, and it was successful. He's not got choo-choo yet, but that's probably because the boost we've lost about 4 psi. Maybe 5 psi of boost because of the pipe work and stuff is a lot longer than the top mount that was on it. It's only a short distance that. So sure, when Justin starts tuning it up, he'll start to get more choo-choo because we've blocked off the blow-off valve. And hopefully, fingers crossed, he'll get his choo-choo. And his boost air temps have already come right down, so we've gone from 60s. We were cruising around then. We got 38s. And on the drive, on the actual drive, we were getting 32s to 34s, so that's a massive improvement. Nice and cool. Everything seems to work. Washers work. It's not leaking. The inner liners have not come ripped out. So all in all, it was a successful day. And it looks mint. It just looks stock. You can see it, but it just looks like a radiator. So it's all good. Anyway. That's it for now. I'm knackered. I want to get something to eat. I'll see you all again. Hope you enjoyed the vid. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hit the like button if you liked it. Comment if you want to comment. And I'll reply if you're asking any questions. Any questions about that particular car, again, just comment in the comment section and Chris can answer it for you, who owns the car. So anyway, see you again. Nice for meeting you. Bye for now.